Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will be doing a haul video of the plants that I bought yesterday from my local nursery. I'm from Uttarakhand and these are some of the plants that I bought yesterday. Let's start, shall we? Okay, so the first plant that I bought was African daisy. I got it for 20 rupees and I got 3 of them. They are very healthy. Most of them have buds on them and a few flowers. The reason I picked them was because Amali told me there that by younger plants they will last longer throughout the season rather than those that are full of blooms and are way taller than their counterparts. So I got 3 of these African daisies. I believe they are annuals because the last time I got them, they were only able to survive for like a month or a month and a half because I was a beginner gardener at that time. I was only beginning, so I overwatered them and killed them ultimately. But I have been gardening for like 3 or 4 years now, and after so much time I finally got to see these in my local nurseries, and I was ecstatic to the cloud because I love them so much. They are in a nice purple color. Day by day they become lighter in shades, so after you see most of the buds blooming you will find them in 3 colors, which will be white, a lighter purple, and a purple like this one. So you can see the difference in shade of these two flowers. The darker one is the younger one, the recently bloomed one, and this one has bloomed maybe like a day or two. I got them yesterday, so I cannot tell for how many days it has been bloomed. They are very pretty. Okay, moving on. The next plant that I bought was this pretty hybrid that is my dog. So the next plant that I got is this pretty the next plant that I got is this pretty um, hybrid hibiscus, and it's in a very pretty shade. The nursery owner there told me that it's a dwarf variety. It won't go beyond the say 5 or 6 feet, but that is to see in future. So this is the plant. I got it for 80 rupees, and actually I wanted a different color, but the rest of the plants there, the hibiscus plants there, there was no buds either. Either there were no buds or the buds that those plants haven't bloomed, so I couldn't tell the color. This one was the only one that was bloomed, and so I picked it. Okay, so the third plant that I got is this strawberry plant. I got it for 30 rupees, and it's a fairly healthy plant. So I think the price was reasonable. Coming on to the next plant that I bought is this one. So this is begonia. um, this is my first time getting a begonia, and I find it extremely pretty, mainly due to the hues of pink in the green leaves and also the pretty pink flowers. I believe even if they are not blooming, They will be a center for attraction due to how beautiful their leaves are. Okay, so these are the flowers that I've got, and there's one more actually. I got one more, and this one, okay, it cannot stand properly. I'm sorry. Okay, so the next plant that I got here is fuchsia. So the nursery had two colors of fuchsia. One was um, in a shade of white or something, I believe, because there were only blooms, uh, buds actually. They were only buds, so I couldn't tell the exact color, but I believe they were in the shades of white. This one here, which I got, has a shade of like a deeper shade of purple and pink, and it's very beautiful color. I had it back uh, in my initial days, and I killed it as well. But let's see. Hopefully I won't kill this one. I am waiting for the buds to come out. If you can see, there's this tiny little bud here. Let me focus on that. There's this tiny little bud. I Why is it not focusing? Okay, so there's this tiny little bud here, and once it's bloom, I will definitely show you guys how beautiful the fuchsia is. Because 4 years back, when I had it, I was so much in love with it, but I couldn't save it because I overwatered it somehow. It was withering in the hot summer, and I watered it and keep watering it, and ultimately it died. It was a sad story. It broke my heart at that time because I couldn't save many of my plants in my initial days. I also got some nice pots which were decently priced. Um, Here they are. So I got these pots here for 30 rupees. They are fairly sized. They're fairly sized, as you can see, and very thick. The thickness is great. They are terracotta pots. I got each of them for 30 rupees, and I actually got four of them. um, Four of these terracotta pots. And the other things that I bought are some seeds. If you want to see, I bought some um, muskmelon seeds, which is kharbuja in Hindi, and I got it for 20 rupees. Then I got some flower seeds. This one is balsam. This one is also for, this one also retails from 20 rupees. And another one was hybrid vinca seeds, and I got this one as well for 20 rupees. So that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more, please click on my profile to see more videos. There will be more of videos coming soon, and I will soon be doing my garden haul. If you're interested, please tell me in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.